सर हेलो।
हाँ
हाँ
बताते
सर, हो गया सर। रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ सर, ये
होगी।
दूसरे
आपकी है
मोबाइल
आपकी
से।
है आपकी है। ठीक है, तो चालू करें।
हाँ सर, मैंने साइन अप पे जा रहा हूँ सर अभी।
ओके, so this is the sign up page. From starting we are showing, and this is the sign up page. Once driver will input his phone number, so he will get the OTP, one time password. So he will verify the mobile number, and then he will move to choosing the location, in which location he is, and he want to provide the services, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are selecting the city, in which city he want to provide the services. So we have selected the city, and then next is the vehicle type, which vehicle he is having from his services, from which vehicle he will give. So we have selected this vehicle, and we have confirmed, and then we are into KYC, know your customer details. Means what are the documents you want to take, we will take in this only, and it will go to the directly admin page. Admin will verify all the documents, then he will approve the driver. If admin is not approving, so he will put suggestion, then he will re-submit the document, and then it will be approved. These all are the driving license, photo, front and back, he will submit. Then after submitting these documents, it will open the basic details, the name, last name, date birth, gender, all the things. He will put profile photo, then it will be submitted. After selecting, these all are the basic details which we are taking. Registration certificate, fuel type, petrol, diesel, this thing. Means all the vehicle types, details, and registration process of the driver. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
हाँ सर।
This is the government ID which you can put, so that if driver, if anything he has done wrong, so admin will have access of this ID. So if he is doing wrong, or if he getting customer complaint, so admin can take action also from this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So this we are submitting now, and after submission, we will open the dialog page when we will start the development. So we will open the dialog page, and we will show that basic details of the driver has been submitted. Please wait for 24 hours. Once you will get approval from admin, you will be able to log in. ये वाला डायलॉग मिसिंग क्यों है मनीष?
सर वो
नहीं
अभी
लगा है इसमें.
सर अभी नहीं लगाया सर, वो डेवलपमेंट के टाइम पे लगाने के लिए सोचा था, वो जैसे ही वो हिट करेगा।
Okay, so once admin will approve, so he will be able to log in with your phone number. ठीक है, log in करते हैं. Okay, after logging in, so this is the home page of the driver. where he is, the current location, and booking details of the customer. If anyone is booking ride or nearby customer, he will get that option. He can ignore it, or he can accept the ride. He can see how much distance he is. Okay. If any suggestion and feedback is there, so you can also suggest. And this one is the pickup, means parcel delivery. ये parcel delivery वाला ही है ना?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
Yes, this is the parcel delivery. If driver want to pick up this objects or
सर ये स्क्रीन सर एक्सेप्ट
So far,
yes, please tell.
so far, I don't have any question. Just finish the whole presentation.
Yeah, yes. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
सर ये एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद की स्क्रीन आएगी सर यहाँ पे.
हाँ, करके दिखाते हैं. So we have accepted this ride, and you can see this detail, basic details. Means from where we will have to pick up the customer. This is the phone number of the customer. How much distance it is. How much fare, means how much price he will pay. Everything will be come in detail page, this page. And then once this driver will go to the customer, and he can just click on this. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
सर पिकअप पे क्लिक करने के बाद ये नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन है सर, इसमें स्टार्ट राइड की आएगी.
On clicking on pickup, so the driver will go to the customer, and once he go to the customer, this start ride option will be enabled.
आफ्टर स्टार्ट सर ये यहाँ पे स्टार्ट राइड पे क्लिक करने पे
After.
OTP. हाँ सर.
Yeah, after starting the ride, once driver will click that yes, we are okay with the customer, we have gone to the customer, he is sitting in the cab or vehicle, so he will just verify the OTP, means one time password from the customer to validate, means yes, ride is okay from the both side. So customer will provide this OTP and driver will enter this OTP and verify it. ठीक है.
सर आगे की स्क्रीन सर डेवलपमेंट के टाइम पे होगी सर, अभी नहीं है. नहीं सर,
उसके आगे कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं सर अभी. तो उसके बाद फिर ये यहाँ पे ये पूरी स्क्रीन दिखेंगी, बुकिंग स्क्रीन सर.
Okay, this one is the booking screen, means what are the rides we have done, and we have accepted, rejected, everything will be shown here. ये हिस्ट्री का पेज है क्या?